So the aluminium-air battery is primary battery. This means that once the battery is discharged, it cannot be recharged again. So what is done is, once the aluminium anode is eroded, it is swapped with a new one at a battery swapping station. The advantage is that it is fast refueling as swapping takes less time. The difficulty is the infrastructure and logistical challenges still need to be addressed. No doubt, aluminium-air battery is an effective alternative, but still research and development needs to be done. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.